Respected Dais, Chairman, respected Haji Mangalgiri sir, respected Secretary and all the dignitaries and my colleague, Principal Vatshankar sir, all the teaching, non-teaching staff and all the students. I thank for management for being called me here as a chief guest for the sport day. First of all, I'll give my introduction. My name is Zarar Qureshi. I am basically a hockey player. In 1979, I was selected in Maharashtra team to play national in Delhi. And after that, I was with the ground only. I used to play athletics, long jump, high jump, 100 to 100, 4 into 100 relay, basketball, cricket, football. I used to play all these games, but especially I have been achieved my aim in hockey. I used to prepare myself for the competition to maintain my health. I used to run alternate day that time 25 kilometer per alternate day to increase my heart capacity, to increase my duration, endurance, to increase my strength, speed, and to keep myself fit for the further competitions. I was completed my BPEd from Shivaji University. I would like to say you just for 8 mark less, I lost my top in the university and I was satisfied with the third position in the all university for BPEd. I used to go to Sanmeshwar College and my subject was sociology. And in sociology, I have got 50 rupees scholarship at that time. Being a sports person, I used to go to practice every day. Early morning, I used to get up 5:30. Now also I used to get up at 4 o'clock to maintain my health. I have been retired before 4 years. Now I am running 63 years. But still I used to run 5 kilometers per day, exercise and walking to maintain my health. I used to tell you to all of you that you have to develop total personality. For developing a total personality, you have to be fit with physically. Our body is been completed with different machines. There are systems in our body, like circular system, neuromuscular system, then urinary systems, muscular, then digestive system. Different systems are there. To maintain, keep all systems stronger, you have to go for the physical activity. Along this physical activity, you have to be touch with the academic side. I used to go for the ground practice and all. And in the evening, I used to go for 1.5 hours for my academic side. Every day for learning whatever is done in the class, I used to go in the night or to see what happened in the class. I used to learn. I was not knowing. I was the students of Municipal Corporation School number 1. And then I went to the M.A. Pangal High School. Basically, I am the Urdu medium student. When I completed my BPEd, and St. Joseph High School has called me as a PT teacher over there. I have been worked for 8 years. And then I had gone to the Maharashtra Government Sport Department as a coach. Being as a coach, I was the member, now also as a member of the State Selection Committee for Hockey. Before 8 days, I went to Silampur to select under 19 Maharashtra team and selected. That team is gone to Udaipur for the nationals. And that team is playing a quarter final. So I am telling you that being a student with the books, you should be prepared for your body health also. I'll give you some hints that you get up early in the morning. What time is school? 8:30. Your school timing is 8:30. You get up early morning, 5:45. Go fresh 15 minutes and open your house door. Come out of your house early morning. Go for walking, running, do exercises, half an hour to 45 minutes. So that will make your neuromuscular coordination strongly. You will find yourself good, healthy. When you will be healthy, then your performance also will be healthy. And next, then go for your, after doing physical activity, you come to your home, take your books, notebooks, check your homeworks and all, that you are completed or not. See the lessons and all. And every day, if you are in 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, every day go for learn one table. You should completed your table up to 30. I was there in Pune, one of school I don't know his name. The 4th standard boys was fluently telling 30, 25 table, fluently, without 4th boy, 30, 25, I asked him to say 27. What he said. So you make your table perfect so that in future you will not find difficult for mathematics solves. You learn systems, body systems. What are the body systems? What their duty, what they are doing.